let's see how ChatGPT can give you some business idea. So you can just start a new chat here and say, I would love to make money online, and I love also write content around something you are passionate about, so music, for example. And let's see what he's telling us. So as you can see, he can give you a list of ideas. So you can write music reviews, for example. You can also create a music related blog, and ChatGPT can help you to write some blog posts. Or you can also be a teacher. You can do video for YouTube. Or you can sell also music and sell music and music related product here. And he is asking you what we can also do with our skill or interest. So let's play around with it. So I also love cooking vegetarian meals. And you see, even with a mistake here, is understanding what we are asking for. So basically, it's the same idea: having a food blog, selling vegetarian meals online, teaching vegetarian cooking classes, having a YouTube channel, and selling t-shirts or cookbooks also. So that's great for now. So you can just play around with it. Feel free to put any of your interest and skill to see what is coming up for you. So see you in the next chapter. See how ChatGPT can be your design assistant. So as you can see, you can get some you can create some AI design prompt for you. You can ask for suggestions and thumbnails for your blogs or YouTube videos, and ask for font pairing or color pairing, which is quite helpful for your branding. So let's get into it now. So for example, so you can still continue in this conversation or just start a new chat, and ask him for a thumbnail and see what we get. So I have created a video about meal prep, a vegetarian meal prep, but I need help with my YouTube thumbnails. So can you give me some advice to get the best CTR? So let's see what we get now. Okay, it's interesting but not quite precise, so that's why I told you earlier to ask him for really precise prompt. So what can we ask him now? Maybe generate a thumbnail description for this cooking video to get an AI do it for me. And as you can see also, sometimes maybe it's my prompt which is not good enough, or it's misleading the AI. So I don't get a really thumbnail description. So maybe we can try with phone pairing for now. So I need some phone pairing for my upcoming blog. Can you give me some? Okay. So it's quite good, as you can see now. So we will ask him, for example, can you give me some examples? And now, as you can see, you will get more precise phone pairing. It will do the same with the color, I guess. Feel free to try it and tell me in the comment how you get it. So again, feel free to play with any of it. Ask for phone pairing, color pairing, ask for thumbnail description, so feel free to play. See you in the next video. We'll see how to get some content from ChatGPT. So ChatGPT can translate any documents for you. It can also summarize, expand, or rewrite some contents. You can write, for example, child books or any fictional books. You can proofread any articles, get some titles ID, get some outlines for a blog post or something similar. And you can also change the tone of your writing. So let's start with translating some part. So we will start a new chat, and as you can see, you will have all your past conversation here. So as I'm French, as you may heard, so bonjour, je m'appelle Marlène et je suis en train de créer une formation. And I will ask him, can you translate this in English? So it's working almost instantly, and now we will translate it in Spanish. So as you can see, yes, you can play with any language if you want. And let's say you need some outline for your courses. So I'm creating a course on vegetarian cooking. Can you give me a precise structure up? And let's see. Not bad for now. So yes, you can do an introduction on an overview of the benefit of a vegetarian diet. So having the essential skills to cook, then the essential ingredients, some recipes, yes. yes, how to meal prep. Okay, some special consideration, food allergy or special diet. Not bad, so it can be a first draft, a good first draft. And you can ask him to, maybe we can ask him to summarize it like I'm 5. Or not like I'm 5 because I made a mistake. But yes, you have just the main ideas here. So again, feel free to play with it, try some prompts, see anything you are interested and play around. It's really just the game with ChatGPT. Now we have saw how you can get some content. Now we will see how you can benefit from your paid ads, for example. So you can add creative ideas, review some tracking code error, also get ad copy ideas, ask for Facebook audience suggestion, or create some call to action for your ads or headlines. So let's play with ChatGPT now. So I will start again a new chat and I will ask him directly, give me a ad copy for a product for an iPhone 13 Pro case. Let's see, yes, it could be a good example. So sometimes it can be quite long, but now, okay, we will get the ad copy. And of course, the more precise you will be, the better your ad copy will be. So, okay, it's again a good first draft. And maybe we can ask him rewrite this ad copy with more for female. No. So now we will ask him to rewrite this ad copy for female loving, creating content, and see, yes, what is going to get us. Okay, not bad again. Okay, of course my description of the product was not good, so it can be as good as we can expect, but it's again a good first draft. So play around with it again and see you in the next video. GPT can help you with your ads. Now, if you have dropshipping or an Amazon FBA business, you can also write and rewrite your product description, also your API letters, and also your outreach emails. So let's get a product description from Amazon. So let's get here. And yes, for batteries. Okay, let's copy and paste here. Can you rewrite this product description? And paste. Okay, so let's see. So of course you will have to get it more appealing visually, but it's quite good also. And if we take another example, so not batteries, so maybe some running shoes. Okay, let's take this one. Okay, let's take the description here. And can you write a better product description on running shoes from men planning to run a marathon? Here is a first draft. No, here as you can see I made a mistake. If you want to add something else, you will have not to enter but to press on enter and merge. So let's start again. But as you can see, yeah, you have some technical things about the project, some benefits here. So let's try again. Can you write a better product description? Here is an first draft. And let's see now. Okay, yeah, it's a little bit more engaging than the first draft, but the one we took from Amazon, and again gives you some idea to rewrite any product description, for example. So if you have an e-commerce, feel free to play with ChatGPT again. Let's do some draft and maybe we can with a better product description. So see you in the next video.